Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I have some exciting news for me. I have new version A8 dual ANIIOKI bike. It is 60 volt, dual motor and triple brake rotors. So let's open it, see what's inside, and we will go from there. First I want to open that small box, what should be front wheel inside, because the bike is huge, and we will see what else there, because this box is pretty big and it's definitely larger than required just for one wheel. Let's do it. Open straps. So what we have inside, the very first one, kind of heavy box, and inside, I don't know, let's see. And inside we have nice heavy charger, power cable, and charger itself. It says ANIIOKI on it, and parameters is 60 volts, 67.2 volts, and 8 amps for this bike. And my battery should be 80 amp hours, so I need 10 hours to charge the battery from the zero to full. What is not that bad if I'm gonna leave it overnight. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side. Next box, that's pretty large too. And this box, probably some fasteners. Let's see. Oh yeah, so here we go. We have spacers and top for steering shaft, for handlebar I mean. That's how it looks from the box. On the side. What else we have? Here we have bracket. I have no idea what is that for now, but most likely it is for front light, like for headlight. Nice and strong, and it's steel. After we have set of Allen keys. Set of Allen keys from, doesn't say anything on the small side, but it's up to 10 millimeters. So that's pretty good one. I was thinking to say it's not bad when I said that. Okay, 21 range, that should be for rear wheel or front wheel. Anyway, it's for hub nuts. After that we have front light itself. Oh my god, this front light much bigger than I have on my 52 volts. But in the end, when it's gonna be everything assembled, I will compare these two bikes side by side. What else? We have two blinkers for the front, turn signals. We have two pedals. We have three more different wrenches, like open wrenches, and two zip ties and one manual. Manual is very important, guys, because most questions in the group from the people who never did manual and they don't even know how to turn on lights. So that is very important, because that supports your warranty, that supports how you have to take care of your bike, and also that will help you to assemble bike and how to use it properly. Okay, continue. Next. Yeah, the package very good. It's a lot of foam, a lot of protection. Next is a seat. Seat exactly the same as on the previous models. So it's pretty good seat for beginners, but for a really long ride, it's again, depending on the people, not that comfortable for me, but I have big ass. Okay, so next what we have here, some fancy bag, and inside this bag we have a jacket. And this jacket is safety jacket. Wow! It ANIIOKI logo on front and ANIIOKI name on the back. And honestly, I would wear this definitely, because I don't mind to do advertising for bike what I'm actually using. Because some people saying, oh no, we're not gonna do that, we're not gonna do that because of something. But again, I'm using this bike, so I'm okay to share and tell people, but yeah, this bike, what I'm using. Perfect. Something else, some small box, says ANIIOKI. Let's open that one. What's here? And here, okay, here's the mirrors and mounting brackets for mirrors. Okay, that's mirrors. Not going to use it. They are pretty good, but I prefer the more visibility. Or I even gonna install a rear view camera, something like this. But still, it's very good for free. What else here? Oh, look guys, it is seat post here. It comes separate from the bike, just on a front box, on a small box. Perfect. And the last box is, oh, it's safety lock cable. So cannot say it's really protect your bike for long term, but it's definitely good for short term and when you still keep eye on your bike. So I will use it. I will definitely use it. And now I want to just show you inside the box what's going on there. What I actually want to show you, it's this plate you see on the side, from one side and from another side. It is huge improve compared to the previous packages. Why? Because like my first A8 52 volts came and the box was from both sides damaged and all these nuts was like looking outside, like it was like hole here and nut was like stacking, like staring at me. Now as you can see, it's everything protected. So guys, last step, let's remove this huge wheel. Okay. And when I'm saying huge, it's kind of huge. Look on that. Look on that. You know what? What I was afraid of? I was really afraid about not reinforced rim. What I'm saying not reinforced, it's like compared to the previous model and even compared to A9, even compared to A9, because rim is like double walled inside and this one is not. And I was afraid about like really weak spoke. But guys, these spokes, I think it's even bigger, like stronger than my A8 with reinforced rim and strong spokes. In the end, anyway, when it's everything gonna be assembled, I will compare them, I will measure them with caliper and I will tell you what exactly size they are. And also here is front fender. The only thing I don't like about this fender, it looks pretty cool, but it doesn't really pretty cool work. At least for me, because I'm using this bike in the mud sometimes, in the dirt, and it's kind of muddy, so I just put much bigger one. But anyway, for the beginning, it's nice to have. And what also improvement to other bikes, I would say, it's, I don't know, I never see someone mention this before, but it's how the brake disc, brake rotor attached to the hub motor. It's 5 huge, very strong bolts. It's not like small screws, M5 or something like this, or M4, M5 I believe, what can be like ripped. Honestly, this one you will never break, unless it's just gonna be unscrewed and you're gonna miss it. But that's just huge improvement. And it's direct drive motor, so no gears inside. So I would say it's maintenance free for regular users. So you don't have to go there in the next probably, I cannot say 10, but 5,000-7,000 kilometers for sure. Nothing should not happen there, unless you do something crazy. Okay, let's open the main box, and I really hope no internal damage inside this box, because my previous bike came damaged with bent fork, but it's not ANIIOKI fault, it is delivery company fault. But ANIIOKI fixed this issue pretty fast. So I just write them down and they said, yeah, no problem, here you go. And I got new fork. So now you can see how the bike actually packed. It's definitely packed better than my previous bike. Definitely better. Metal plate on top again, so it's not gonna be hole. It's not gonna make hole in a carton inside on top. And here from both sides we have some pads. Here pads there, and I hope it's really protected, like fork on front. Yeah, here. I'm not sure if it's actually protected or not, but the previous bike didn't have that piece. And when the delivery company dropped this bike on this side, this all weights was pushing a fork and fork bent. Really hope it's not the case for this side. Okay, let's open everything and see what's going on there. For first impression, it's not bent. For first look, it's everything safe. Everything safe. This bike looks so nice. This bike looks so nice. So what we have here? Oh guys, look! Here actually I have a helmet. I have a really bike helmet. And it's not bad. I mean, it's not good enough for e-bike, honestly. But to have free helmet, why not? And what size is this? It is large, with adjustable knob on the back anyway. So yeah, just like that. I hope it's visible. But anyway, I really recommend the ride in a full face motorcycle helmet, because this bike crazy fast and heavy, and it's better to be safe than sorry. So motorcycle helmet, I recommend it. Okay, let's open all zip ties and we'll try to assemble it. The only thing what I didn't see yet is the keys. Actually, keys. I don't know where it is, but I'm pretty sure it's somewhere around. We will find out. Because this, look on this huge amp, 80 amp hour battery. It is really huge. Oh. It is here. The keys is here. The keys are here. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna remove battery. Why? Because it's the bike gonna be twice lighter and it's gonna be much easier to assemble. Look, look on this battery. This battery is just huge. I will show you the previous battery after. This battery is just huge. Aww.